To allow repeat colors when Do Not Disturb is active on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification. Tap Do Not Disturb. Under allow during Do Not Disturb section, tap calls and messages. Under also allow section, tap the gray on off switch next to repeat colors until the switch turns blue to turn it on. By enabling repeat colors option, your phone will allow calls when they are received from the same phone number more than once within 15 minutes. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.